Today's IT environment necessitates multiple teams working on multiple platforms, including cloud software, legacy systems, and databases. These technologies often do not communicate with each other natively. For business data integrity, connectivity between disparate apps and services is critical, which is why an increasing number of organizations are turning to application and data integration. ConnectPlaza provides a powerful connectivity platform, which brings a disruptive change in the integration development and deployment lifecycle. The platform is suitable for enterprises and/or application partners, also known as ISVs, with API readiness and connectivity needs. With our technology, we help customers unlock valuable data from all of their systems, legacy software, cloud apps, mobile devices, and IoT. Integrating apps, processes, and data becomes a complicated situation fast, with a large number of different types of connections, protocols, and data formats. Classical ways of integrating using point-to-point integration directly from application, also known as tightly coupling, or arbitrary scripting have proven to be quick, but very difficult to maintain, support, and troubleshoot, especially when reliability is an important factor in your organization. Standardization of message data and technical connectors can be achieved by adapting to a technical platform, but it raises the problem of having to employ a large number of highly qualified developers, turning integration into a technological effort, once again increasing costs on development, maintenance, and support. The solution? The solution is to simplify integration. ConnectPlaza has over 15 years of experience in handling integration in the broadest way conceivable, as well as over a decade worth of effort in building our iPaaS platform, supporting over 80 out-of-the-box building blocks and delivering to more than 10,000 customers and end users worldwide for both enterprises and ISVs. How do we do this? Let us explain the 3 most important topics that will enhance integration for your business. First, we simplify integration with out-of-the-box building blocks. This allows us to deliver all the technical possibilities, but without the technical knowledge to implement them. Our users simply drag and drop blocks into their integration flows and intuitively build the integration they need, only focusing on the functionality at hand. Let us worry about the technical side of things. Also, through the power of iPaaS and configuring in the cloud, we can continually improve on our work and deliver you the latest new features without disrupting your work. OneClick deployments. We employ special technology that allows our customers to deploy their integration needs anywhere they could ever want and control their deployment directly from the cloud. Our software platform, which we call our runtime agent, is flexible and lightweight and can be installed virtually anywhere. Through a special and secure connection, these agents can be controlled remotely and deployment is managed from the cloud, avoiding the need for direct access to hosting platforms and performing technical operations to make things work correctly. And of course, real-time data visibility. Through our Analyze product, we allow customers to safely review all tracked and traced messages that have been handled by ConnectPlaza. This allows you to always find your data, be in control of all transactions, and audit any trail that takes place in your integrated organization. By using our powerful business entities rules engine, you can instruct Analyze to inspect and identify key and critical data in your environment, allowing you to recover data by simply entering a customer name, order number, or invoice date. And perhaps, most importantly, none of your data will be stored anywhere in the iPaaS cloud, making our product completely GDPR compliant. If you are interested in our product, please try it for free now, and please feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch all other great videos on our products, explore our possibilities, or follow our tutorials online. Thanks for watching.